This is Scott the Fix-It Guy with a really fast and easy way to get your LG dryer going again. Make sure you got your dryer unplugged. Just doing a little test here in the beginning. I turn it on and I'm calling for heat. Let it go for about 2 minutes. And when I open the door, I notice that it's spinning, but it's not getting any heat. This is probably due to a little thermal cutout on the burner tube that needs to be reset. It's actually pretty easy to do. So we got to make sure again it's unplugged, and then we're going to pull the dryer out away from the wall, and we want to expose its right side. And down low in the lower right hand corner there's a little plastic plate that you can pry off with a standard head screwdriver, and you can look in there and you'll see there's a little device hooked to the round burner tube. It has 2 wires going to it, and then it has a little black piece in the middle, and then there's a button where the red arrow points, and if you push that button you'll hear a clicking sound, and that resets the dryer, and then it will heat. If there's no click, then it's something else that's causing it. This is a dryer vent tube that has too many twists in it, and that can make it trip this little switch, and then you have to reset it. Also, the vent tube sometimes can get too much lint built up in it, so if you reset it, you've also got to get rid of that lint so it won't trip it again. So that's all there is to it, and then you just put your plastic cover back in, get your dryer back into position, and try and get rid of as many twists in the tube. I'm also going to clean it out with this vent cleaning tube to make sure that there's not a lot of lint in there. I found that there was about a basketball size amount of lint caught in here, so that's probably that and all the twists and turns that made it trip. So it's a pretty easy procedure. It should just take you a couple of minutes. If that doesn't do the trick, then most likely with this LG dryer, it's the igniter has broken, and that's pretty easy to change too. It's a different video, but this is what the igniter looks like, and it'd probably take you maybe 20 minutes to be able to do that change. But pretty easy to do this procedure, and it's very common. Maybe 80% of the time that's what causes the LG dryer to not heat. So I hope this has been helpful to you, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.